Fuel gauges.
Check.
Rotor speed.
Zip 6.
Tower to Foxy 1. Cargo loading complete out there.
Bob Hope should see this, man.
Cleared for takeoff, Foxy 1.
It's pinching again!
Copy, Tower. See you in heaven. Kick it.
It is clear that our boys are losing the war in Southeast Asia. American troops are bitter and unpatriotic. They show no energy for the fight, desert in numbers, and become addicted to drugs. They crack under fire and commit atrocities that will soon, if they have not already, lose us the war at home. Gentlemen, it is time for a radical new idea. I've invited here today a remarkable young woman who has, in my estimation, such an idea. Major Lincoln Pruitt.
Forget the boys. With the right weapon, I and a hand-picked squad of women can win this war. You laugh, but women have been destroying men since Eden. How? Through sex. It's a simple, basic fact of life, and the founding principle on which I've based the design of this, the ultimate women's weapon. Generals, I give you the Lincoln Pruitt anti-rape device. I call it the Leopard. Hey, careful, sir. Don't put your fingers in there. When combat ready, the Leopard will shred a broom handle, a penis, or any other insertion, and administer a dose of deadly poison while so doing. Guns are clearly for the boys, but the Leopard is the woman's weapon we have been looking for. It involves the female's most natal talent, the seduction of men. In the case of war, the seduction of the enemy.
Are you saying that we actually send our women soldiers out there to get raped on purpose, ma'am?
More than that. I am saying, for the first time in history, the Leopard places the female in the position of being eager for intercourse with the enemy.
Pardon me for saying so, and I can't speak for the Kong, but I haven't seen too many of our female soldiers that I'd like to.
You have a point, General. I have considered various recruit profiles for my proposed program. Soldiers and prostitutes I've ruled out for the reasons listed. The ideal recruit is, in fact, the cheerleader. The typical cheerleader is feminine, disciplined, patriotic, and does not have an attitude towards the attention of males. Furthermore, there's an ample supply of them already in country. But first, I need to find two key personnel. A recruiter and someone to train them in a range of basic army skills. If you like, a madam and a drill mistress.
You're kidding.
Give it a whirl.
And I activated internally using my pubococcygeal muscles?
You know how to fake an orgasm.
Is there any other kind?
I see from your file that you've applied for a transfer to the Foreign Service.
I speak 6 languages. I can hold my liquor. I don't have any basic objection to promiscuity, as long as it furthers American interest and my career.
Look, Jackson, there are currently no black female FSOs in the entire Foreign Service. If you stick by me and my op, I will personally see to it that you are the first. Bargain. Seems like a pretty easy choice to me.
Yeah.
Either you do 5 pointless, humiliating years in the slammer for the IRS, or you do 1 in Foxy Fire for me, for your country, and for women.
I fuck for $1, baby. Period.
Do you like men, Dinah?
I hate him.
Then here's an opportunity to indulge in every revenge fantasy you ever had. Kill them with kindness.
I have not been an independent, pimpless madam for 20 years to turn around now and submit to...
Don't ever use the word submit in my presence. It does something to me. I am like every capable, intelligent woman I ever knew, Dinah. I'm forever undermined by my own vulnerability. I like sex. But I do not like subliminally fearing half the human race. It interferes with my existence. And yours too, Dinah. Welcome aboard.
the inside now. And probe. And shred. And melt. And that cat. All ready? Switch on. And pull.
Và đẹp quá. Trời ơi. Trời ơi. Cứu anh to. Và đẹp quá. Và đẹp quá. Cứu anh to. Cứu anh to. Và đẹp quá. Và đẹp quá.
All present?
All present and combat ready, Major.
Women of Foxy Fire, I'm proud of you. And in a few short months, I'm sure America will be proud of you. There will be times of deprivation, and there will be times of doubt. And when the going gets rough, I know I personally will remember something my late father, General John Barrymore Lincoln Pruitt, used to say to me. Victory belongs to the antagonist who knows how to suffer 1/4 of an hour longer. Here on the 15th, unless otherwise ordered.
15th, check.
And remember, this mission is top secret. No one knows we're here, and that's the way it stays. Visibility, vulnerability, and accessibility are the names of the game in the Woman's War. The key to this operation depends, as does the Miss America pageant, on poise, good grooming, and the ability to look adorable under pressure.
Chainsaws ready? Let's build us a camp.
Something has happened. Come, quickly.
What's happening? M-A-N-D-Y. Monday. Elsabel Monday.
Can she truly be a Buddhist nun?
Scared. Of what? What if they shoot first and use the come-on lines later?
Get real. What man in his right mind would shoot a bunch of sweet, defenseless Buddhist nuns like us without raping them first? Did you do my back? Then I'll do yours.
What should we do? Watch and wait.
Good advice on the communist at last.
That feels good. Oh, God. This is turning me on. I need some sex.
Why do you think so many men rape and kill women?
Because they can.
Yeah, but if all women had the leopard, do you think many of us would be out there seducing and killing men?
I guess.
I don't. I mean, do you ever fear rape by other women? I think it's in the hard wiring. Oh, hey, Zinnia. You think they got any tigers around here?
Sure they have.
I really would like to get me a tiger coat.
Dream on, baby. We ain't got no guns. No guns, no tigers.
Oh, I hope I have time to shave my legs.
Let's get to it, huh, girls? We got to get these hooches built.
Please, God, I'll be good. Just grant me one night with the one on the left.
Monday.
Evil, scheming bitches.
No!
They are the enemy.
We don't know that.
They came by American helicopter. They came to kill us.
Did you see this helicopter?
I heard it.
Oh, we hear helicopters every day.
And how can they hurt us? They have no guns.
They have no guns that we can see. Why? All men born with their brains between their legs. These witches from hell will cut out their brains and eat them.
I changed my mind. Forget about the other one. That's the one I want.
The fools can go to hell for all I care. But I will not let you die, my love. If I have to kill every one of these evil bitches myself.
God, it's hot. I hate having sex when it's so hot and humid.
Oh, please. I am this close to getting cystitis as we speak.
I don't know whether to hope for a handsome guy or not. Be ashamed to waste a handsome guy.
They're gooks, not guys, okay?
They're just slope-eyed dicks with a death wish, right?
Has anyone here ever actually killed a man? I once had a guy kill himself.
They'll be here soon. Most likely they'll split up and seek one-on-one contact. If they arrive en masse, we can go into party mode and you can each choose the guy you want. But please, no catfights. Have we practiced our Vietnamese sweet talk?
We have.
Have we oiled our leopards?
We have.
Good. Any questions?
Do we have to kiss them, ma'am?
Not kissing them. When you activate the probe is an offense tantamount to treason. It only takes one of them to cry out as he dies, and it puts us all in danger. Is that clear? Welcome your lovers into your hot little iron triangles, and they will be yours in perpetuity. Godspeed. You are dismissed.
If they are Buddhist nuns, where's their modesty?
Just suppose for a minute that they are Buddhist nuns, sacred women of the temple, innocent, devoted, serene.
Serene? I haven't heard so much bloody noise since they dropped the bombs on Vok Trun. Why don't the VC do us a favor and drop some bombs on them?
Do you really think the ancestors would want us to go and slaughter a crowd of unarmed women?
All right. Don't slaughter them. Just tell them to bugger off.
What is the basis of community? Discussion. So let us go and discuss with the leaders of these women and talk to them what is what. And tomorrow, you and I will talk again. The hamlet is accessible and open on all sides. One more proof, I should think, of their desire for peaceful interaction.
Oh, the immensity of their cunning.
Silence, I'll die!
It is only because they're women that you're being so foolish.
Is everyone armed? May Buddha, the ancestors, and Ho Chi Minh smile favorably on our mission. Let us go.
Hey, wait for me. I'm coming.
Shh! Each man choose one woman.
I wonder if this is too much. What's Vietnamese for you got it, flaunt it? Don't gloop out on me now, man. I need all the help I can get.
Good evening. Would you like to come in?
Yes?
What's your name?
Lee Van Dong.
Really?
Oh. That's funny. I don't know why I did that.
My name's Mandy.
I know.
What the hell does that mean, Bob? Oh, why does the Ching always put a weird spin on everything? Oh, I got a moving line at the top. Let's see.
Hunter!
God, you scared the life out of me.
Don't move!
Relax, man. I'm cool. I was just doing the I Ching. My, what a beautiful big gun you have. Well, it's really, truly fabulous. Do you shoot tigers with this?
One only.
Wow, really? Where is it? Well, I would do just about anything for a tiger coat. Just about anything.
Tiger coat?
Yeah, come on over here and I'll show you. Well, why don't we just put this big old thing down right here? Now, oh, Hendrix okay? Or, maybe you'd prefer the doors? Anyway, now look at this. This is not like tiger fur exactly, but you get the idea.
That acid was a mistake, though. Definitely.
Down. I thought I could kill a man just like that and feel
I am a tiger. Please, don't kill me.
I couldn't. In Anhui, the tiger is sacred.
You look like shit in these clothes, you know that. You are nothing without a garter belt. So come on, girl. Let's get it on. I will not work without a net, and nobody's gonna make me. Put down that cane. Put it down now. Crawl over there. Get down. Do it. You naughty, naughty boy.
Calm down, Victoria. He'll be here. Any moment now. I hope you'd be proud of me, Mother. To the woman who won the war in Vietnam.
But what of children, Victoria? What of children?
Ma? The leopard is my child. It's my invention. It's my baby.
That thing is no substitute for a husband and children. If anything, it's kept you from them.
Well, maybe it has for now, but there's a war to win. When it's over...
What man would want a woman who's obsessed with turning her diaphragm into a lethal weapon?
Never mind. Perhaps you'd prefer some of this anyway.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
So, What shall we do next?
Not with him, Victoria. You cannot possibly do the act with that filthy, derelict old man.
Shut up, Mother.
Who you talking to?
My ancestors.
Oh, yes. Oh, sure. Pardon me. So you are a goddess?
Yes! I am a goddess. And I have been sent to fulfill your every wish.
Here I am.
God certainly does have a strange sense of humor, that's for sure. Well then, shall we?
Oh, sure. We shall. Yes.
Ooh. Wow. I always wondered what the slopes did for R&R. No. Ooh. Avenger Corps Recon, we got a situation here, Captain. Over.
Read your Avenger. Over.
You won't believe this. A platoon of hippie hookers. They are in active service, and they're not on our side, sir. Over.
No shit. Over.
I'm looking right at it. Can we mop them, sir? Over.
Negative, Avenger. I better check this out. Over.
Of course. That's the trick. The women draw our men into the trap, and then the soldiers come and kill them. How cunning.
We just don't seem to be getting that cobra out of the basket, do we? Time for the secret weapon.
What is this? Poison?
Rhinoceros horn.
Oh, I see. Oh, yes. Huh. Hey, look.
Fun's over, mister! And broke! I know, not the most worthy of opponents, but it works. I am a woman. I do have feelings.
What's this?
Some slip-eye slit we found guarding the hippies.
UVC. Have it your way, baby. Who wants to interrogate her first? War is hell. What can you do?
What do base command say?
They don't know nothing about it.
Maybe they're Russians.
Call me hippies.
Anyway, they're traitors. White chicks aren't supposed to bang slopes.
We'll wait till dawn.
confirm airstrike at 0500 hours. Over.
What the hell happened here? What is the meaning of this mutiny? Shrink.
I fell in love. What can I tell you? I hate men. I do, honestly, but they're not like American men at all.
You're right there, Shrink. They're the enemy. Smith?
He had a disease. You know, Major, some of these things are incurable.
I know. Jackson. My weapon jammed, ma'am. I activated the probe, and nothing happened. Moon.
Push comes to shove, I guess I just can't have an orgasm, ma'am.
I didn't ask you to have one. I asked you to fake one.
The same thing, isn't it? I guess I'm just not in touch with those poopy coochie something muscles.
What about the training?
I faked it.
Wentworth, that's your department, isn't it?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Well?
I'll revise the program right away, ma'am. Won't happen again, ma'am.
And what about you? What's your excuse?
He couldn't get it up. I tried everything. I do mean everything.
You're the professional in this group. If I can't count on you,
so how do you think I feel?
What the devil were you doing there all night?
We were gathering information.
Bet you were.
And you'll be relieved to know that we found the nuns extremely cooperative and no threat to the safety of Aunt Hui.
What about those helicopters?
They were chasing them. The nuns are just as frightened of the Americans as we are. Brilliant.
They're only camping here for a few days, after which they will move on. In the meantime...
The men of Aunt Hui must stand guard on their behalf. And on yours, noble women of Aunt Hui.
Those harpies have got nothing to do with us.
They are women. And for the next few nights, we men must guard the clearing. It's for your safety, too.
There, you see? We must go now.
It will be best if you stay away from there, in case of trouble.
Just for a few nights, then?
1, 2, 3 at most.
It may interest you ladies to know that despite all manner of difficulties, I managed to make my kill last night.
It's them. They're back.
Battle stations, and anyone not ready to leave at dawn with a body bag will be left behind. I'm gonna take this garbage down to the river. Jackson, you're in charge while I'm away.
You can count on me, Major.
I can count only on Rhino Horn.
You!
Have we met? Who are you?
Just another victim of your Marines.
What Marines?
The ones who raped me tonight.
I'm very sorry to hear that.
It is you who have spun this web to lure our men. You lure them into forgetfulness and immorality, and then summon your Marines to finish the kill.
You stupid little girl. I've spent my life working for the freedom of women. How dare you suggest I need grunts to do my dirty work for me?
What's in that bag?
Garbage.
Open it. Oh my God. Trudeau. What an end.
Just end, judging from his personality.
How did you kill him? What is your weapon? Give me that weapon.
Never.
Give it to me, or I'll rip your throat out and take it.
You wouldn't know what to do with it. You're too stupid. Stupid and submissive.
How dare you call me submissive? You with your grants to back you up when there is trouble.
I told you.
I saw them checking on you. Who do you think raped me?
Where? Where did you see them?
There, beat.
Yes! Here's one. And another. Look. They did it. The men were already dead. When the airstrike hit, the men were already dead. Victory!
Run! Americans! Run!
I gotta hand it to you, man. You blew the shit out of those bitches. Hey! Hey, there's still one of them left! You lucky shit! God, before we get a Purple Heart, at least a month taken off and I got all the smack you can shoot! Some guys, man! Make love, not war, sweetheart! Take it. Use it. Oil it first.
not rape us. Please not rape.